Permanent tissues. As I said earlier, that permanent tissues are formed by the continuous division of the meristematic tissue. Like suppose this is the meristematic tissue is dividing, it is increasing their number. There is no definite numbers, okay, they can increase according to the part where they are found. So suppose they are increasing their number as the leaf is growing or the plant is growing, it is increasing its number, the cells are increasing their number, continuously dividing. And suppose it has increased to a limit. Now no more division is going to take place. The leaf has grown up to its size. Now it will not grow further. So at that time, these all are meristematic tissues. This. But when it has entered into a mature, means when the plant has become mature, now this cells will be termed as now as permanent tissue. They will not be more called as meristematic tissue, they are permanent tissue. So this how the leaf is increasing its size. I am showing this so that you know. So this is the final size of the leaf, and this is only the permanent tissue. Now no more division is going to take place. It has become mature. It has attained their definite form and size. Definite means final form and size has been attained, and they form the bulk of the plant body. Bulk means the main portion, or you can say as the total surrounding, means it is totally composed of the plant body. All the content it has formed of the plant body. So permanent tissues can be dead or can be living, and the basis of this structure they are classified into further. So let us see what are those categories in which it is classified. So the first one is simple permanent tissues. Now this type of simple permanent means they are formed of same type of cells, means all cells will be circular. Suppose the cell is circular, all will be circular. If it is square shape, all will be square shape. Similar type of cells, and that's why they will have similar functions. Whereas another is complex permanent tissues. These are opposite to simple permanent, means they can be of various type, like with circular, square will be there, another shape, very varied shape will be there, and they can have different functions also. So the basic division of permanent tissue is into simple permanent tissue, which consists of same type of cells which same function, same shape and structure and with same function. Whereas complex permanent tissues are cells which are not similar in structure and they have different functions. Mainly we say that this simple permanent tissues are having a function of protection and support. They are present in those areas which give support and protection to the body of the plant.